Good morning, everybody. Doug Goff here from MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of the NauticStar 2302 Legacy. So we're going to start back here at the stern. We've got this boat has it all. We've got a live well, powered by a 200 Yamaha. A lot of power for this boat. Excellent seating with the pads that can snap in or snap out. Your freshwater fill, really sufficient ladder for boarding on the starboard side. And then this is a really nice feature here. You've got this pass-through backrest on this seat, so boarding is made easy. But then once you click this back in place, you have a backrest for the seat on this side. Let's move to the helm and see what we got next. Okay, here we are at the helm of the 2302 Legacy, and this setup is amazing. Got beautiful hardtop. You've got 4 rod holders here. You've got more rod holders here behind the helm seat. Twin helm seat with a big cooler underneath. Along the gunnels, you've got rod storage for 6 rods. At the helm here, all of your controls are accessible and easy to see. You've got trim tabs. Your trim tab controls are here. Infinity premium sound. We've got our Simrad already installed, so we're ready to go. Unbelievable. This boat is ready to hit the water and do some fishing or some family fun. Another great feature of the 2302 Legacy is you got a very nice sized pump out head here for when you're out and you need to use the facilities. It's right there, and it's very nice size. Here we are at the bow of the 2302 Legacy, and one thing that is really amazing is you have this ample forward facing seat, but under the seat is another live well. So when someone's fishing off the bow, you've got this set up right here, so you're good to go. Ample seating with the cushions. The cushions are removable. Cup holders. You've got speakers for the Infinity sound system, and then you also have your forward anchor locker here, which is a great feature when you're going to anchor up. You want to anchor up and at the sandbar with your family if you're not fishing. So this boat does it all. It's just the perfect mix of family and fishing and fun. And as we wrap up the tour of the NauticStar 2302 Legacy, one thing that I wanted you to see, especially for if you're going to go a little ways out or you're going to be with your family, is on this hybrid boat, you just got a nice deep V, but you can also go a really shallow draw if you want to go fishing. But it's a nice dry ride for your family. Everybody feels safe and secure in this boat, and it's just a perfect combination for you to do everything that you want to do in this beautiful Florida weather. We love you, and we'll talk to you soon.